Mobility issues? Not when you have a mobility scooter like this.
This product was sent to me for free to review.
So if you're looking for a lightweight mobility scooter that is airline and cruise ship approved, you might check out the KERDOM MS001. It weighs in at 39 pounds without the batteries. And I'm going to show you how to take those batteries out in just a moment. Has the throttle adjustment up here on the handlebar, easy to control. Has the armrest that you can raise up and down, you can get off easily. Little red knobs right here, you just pull those up and you can lay this down. I'll show you that in a moment too. But right now I want to show you how to take this battery off. Oh, by the way, it does have a basket up there that you can put different things in. That's really nice. But to take the batteries off, just pull this up. It has dual batteries, by the way. Remove the little pad right there. Just pick it straight up. There you go. That's all there is to it. Makes it lightweight to transport, load up in your vehicle. Not a problem at all. Put them back in. Just simply set them right back in the slot. Like so. And to charge the batteries, it has a port right here on the bottom. Just turn that and plug in your charging cord right there. Has a reset button right here. So if you're if you put the motor in a bind, like going up too steep of a hill or something, and if it shuts off, you can hit that reset button. Looks like there's a hole in the bottom of the tray here, so you might could reach it from the bottom without taking that off. That's all there is to that. Has the solid filled rubber tires on it. I believe they're 7-inch, if I remember right. Has a nice ground clearance. You could also put stuff under here if you wanted to. If you had a little basket or a purse or something like that, you could put it under there. It's not extremely fast, but it'll get around pretty good. Anyway, like I was telling you a while ago, you can just pull these red knobs up and flip these over like that. The armrest. Go down just like that. Loosen off the knob on the handlebars. And you can lay that down right there. Tighten that back up. And load it right up. Really lightweight. Right down here you have your headlights. The switch up here on the handlebars. Turn it on and off. And when you turn the headlights on, it also has a tail light right here. Easy visibility. Here is the speed control that I mentioned. Just the dial. You just turn it all the way up or all the way down. Here's your light switch, your horn, your key, of course, right here. And it has an indicator to tell you how much power you have in there. Pull back on here, you go forward. Pull back on the left side to go backwards. Nice hand grips. Has the little part right here where you can rest your palm on that. Then right here is your lever to put it in neutral or in drive. Right there, it'll just roll. Put it in gear, roll. You have to have it in gear to use it. It has a lift handle right here, one here, and one exactly like this on the front end. So if you or anyone else you know is in the need of a nice lightweight mobility scooter, you might want to check this one out. You can also check this playlist right here where there are other mobility scooters for you to check out as well. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.